What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing two-strand twists with a pop of color. I've already done the front, well, half of the front and all of the back. So I like that color so much that I decided to use it again. I tried the gold and I didn't really like it, so we're back at this color, and I'm gonna do it throughout my hair, as you can see. So we're gonna do two-strand twists, and I've already sectioned out this side. So basically all my rolls are sectioned. See? So all my rolls are pretty much sectioned out, and my plan is I'm doing a challenge to keep my two strands in for at least 4 to 5 months, which is a really long time, but I'm trying to not manipulate my hair so much because, you know, it's starting to get a little crusty since I've been doing so much with it now. And I have my YouTube and I'm trying to keep it going with you guys, so I decided to do two-strand twists, and I'm also going to do protective styles over them, so I'll still have styles to do with you. So I will be able to wash them, which I'm eventually going to have to get this color out. So I'm going to wash them with this still in it. So this basically gonna be a challenge because I do get bored with the style sometimes, so I do like to switch up my hair, and then I have times where I miss my little afro puffs, but have to deal with it for the next 4 to 5 months. So starting from today, which is December the 1st, until the 5th month, which is about April. So we shall see if I make it that far. Y'all get to see with me. But you know, like I said, I'll be able to do protective styles over it. So let's get into this video. Alright, let me make sure y'all at the right height. Alright. I'm using a little bit of water. This is water mixed with leave-in conditioners, 2 different leave-in conditioners, and I'm using, I already pretty much moisturized my hair, but I want to do an extra coat because of this. It can get a little hard, but I notice when I add more stuff before I put this on, my hair is much softer. So using the, what is it, As I Am Crochet Whip, using this, and as I told you, I'm using the Curls Unleash hair makeup wax, the dragon fruit, using that. In the back I use this, and I forgot about it on the whole side, so hopefully it turns out the same, but I probably use this on this side, which is the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydrating Twist Defining Custard, the Moroccan Manuka Honey one. So y'all see that. So let's get started. I also have a towel that I'm pretty much destroyed. Being that this rinses out really good and stuff, so hopefully it comes off my towel because it's dyed. It's this color all the way all over it. So have my towel and all my stuff open. also have a brush and a comb, which you see my brush is also dyed, and my red tail comb. Okay guys, so it's done. I'm gonna scratch the front like I did the back, because the back is scratched. As you can see, this is long back here. And basically how I scratch my hair is, you saw me in the bun a few minutes ago, but I take it pretty much and wrap it around itself, and I leave it that way for like most of the day, for about a day, and it'll end up long like the back is, and scratched out like the back is. So that's pretty much how I scratch it, but this is pretty much it, you guys. I like how the purple turned out, and as you know, as I told you, it transfers, so I will it does stop transferring as much when it's really dry, so I shouldn't have to worry about it too much after maybe today or tomorrow. No, maybe after about 3 days. I think after those 3 days is when it dried up enough that it didn't transfer as much, but it did transfer when I would just rub on my hair. So that is pretty much it for this video, and these are my purple 2-strands minis, even though these are kind of big on this side, but that's okay. It's my mini twist. So that is my minis. I might end up redoing some of this side to make it equal and full as this side, but for now we're just gonna leave it, because I did realize that I did maybe these 2 rows a little too big. The rest of them are fine, but these 2 rows are really big compared to this side, and probably compared to the ones in the back, but it's okay. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. See y'all in the next video. Bye bye. Bye y'all.